How to avoid Amazon seller account suspension or grow product visibility on Amazon? Let's get into the whys and hows of Amazon stealth accounts. Owning multiple Amazon accounts isn't illegal, but the platform isn't fond of this. So how does Amazon make sure that you comply with its rules? Well, it uses personal info like email or even shipping address to identify you. Then Amazon considers your digital identity like IP address and browser fingerprint. If any of the details match with an existing seller account, there's no way you'll get another one. What's worse, your current profile will get permanently suspended. But is it a lost cause? The answer is no, but only if you take care of your digital identity. Before even heading to Amazon, change your IP and spoof your browser fingerprint. I'll show you how. First, get yourself an anti-detect browser. Some say it's better to use virtual machines or virtual private servers to hide your fingerprint. Yet from our experience, anti-detect browsers are way more convenient, faster, and easier to set up. And they do the job as well as other software, if not better. So today, my pick is Multi-Login, one of the most reliable providers in the market. Start by creating a new browser profile. The quick profile option won't work here since the parameters aren't specific enough for Amazon. So let's dive into settings customization. For an operating system, don't make it different from your actual operating system. Our performance test showed that spoofed fingerprints are undetectable only when the OS matches. Don't underestimate the time zone and geolocation. It must match the billing address you'll type in when signing up. And if you use Multi-Login, go with the Stealth Fox browser. It works very well for this use case. Now it's time to take care of your IP address. In proxy settings, add your proxies. It's best to opt for mobile or residential IPs since they're the hardest to detect. And for making stealth accounts, anonymity is your priority. We'll overview our top Amazon proxy providers at the end of the video. When playing with proxy settings, ensure that the proxy location mirrors your browser parameters and billing address. Then don't forget to activate it. And the final step would be checking your setting consistency by visiting pixelscan.net. It looks for software, hardware, and IP inconsistencies in a browser's fingerprint. If there aren't any, go to Amazon. Now it's time for cookie farming, which will drastically increase your success rates. How to do it? Scroll through the Amazon products, click on them, add them to your basket, and leave it there. Close the profile, and then come back after a day or two. And bam, your browser profile is all warmed up. When registering, you'll have to provide a business email address, chargeable credit card details, a copy of a valid passport or ID, and company registration details, including a VAT number. You'll be asked to show a bank statement and confirm your identity via video call. Here, making up information won't work. So the only solution is to approach a person you know, like a colleague, friend, or family member, and ask permission to use their info. This way, you won't have any problems with registration and video call procedure. Okay, now your registration is done, accounts got approved, but what's next? Unfortunately, Amazon stealth accounts require commitment to avoid bans. So be cautious and consistent. Every time you log into a stealth account, use the same anti-detect browser profile and proxies from the same location. Why is consistency important? Imagine your digital identity as if it was a real one. Let's say your height is 5'9" and you live in Ohio. So it wouldn't make sense if you grew 3 inches overnight and teleported to Hawaii. Same with browser fingerprint. Amazon pays very close attention to your activity, especially for seller accounts. To make things easier, keep a file where you list all key parameters. Or if you use Multi-Login, rename each browser profile to remember its use case, and then reuse the same profiles each session. Another tip is to be mindful of your products. Amazon can link accounts by matching titles, descriptions, and pictures, and get you banned. If you sell several products, it's better to do that on different accounts, or at least spend some time changing product details so they would differ. By now, you're probably eager to try everything for yourself, but before you run off and build successful seller accounts, here's the top Amazon proxy provider picks. Oh, and feel free to take a peek at their links. You'll find them in the description. First in line is Smart Proxy. Their residential proxies perform very well and have near global location coverage. Adjustable rotation, unlimited concurrency, and easy setup are huge bonuses. Though the main perk is the price. Plans reside in a mid-tier range, and if you don't want to commit to a monthly subscription, the pay-as-you-go option is still cheaper than that of any premium provider. That's fortunate, especially when pricing is traffic-based. but you'll still have to note how much data you use, or you pay extra. Another choice is Oxy Labs. A premium provider offers residential and mobile proxies with precise geo-targeting, even on a city level. Each plan also offers unlimited concurrent sessions and top-tier customer support. Oxy Labs service is so reliable, we rewarded them for the best overall performance. Yet, cost-wise, this provider isn't for everyone. Its premium pricing is more suitable for clients with extensive needs. Last but not least on our list is Bright Data. The provider prides itself on one of the largest residential and mobile proxy pools. You can enjoy flexible rotation and unlimited concurrency with IPs from all world countries. Yet it's not a beginner's choice. Setting up and managing Bright Data's proxies can be a hassle. Oh, and the prices go through the market's roof. It's a premium provider after all. Even so, it's worth checking out each provider for yourself. The links are in the description, and we got special offers for our reviewers. So take a look. But if mentioned providers don't suit your needs, check out our best residential proxies video for more recommendations, and I'll see you there.